Good afternoon. So, pag may pindutin na, rolling pa siya? Okay. Ano nga yun? Assessment, okay. 1, 2, 3. Good afternoon. So, our assessment for today is assessing skin and hair. Wait lang. Hindi mo namin kailan. Rolling lang. I-roll mo lang, i-edit ko lang. So, 1, 2, 3. Good afternoon. So our assessment for today is assessing the skin, hair, and nails. So we're gonna start with introducing ourselves to the client. So good afternoon, sir. My name is Max Roberti, and I will be your student nurse for today, coming from the University of St. Anthony. So next is we're gonna verify the client's identity. Sir, can you cite your name? So we have confirm our client's identity, and also we can check his risk tag for his identity, and after that we're gonna explain the procedure. So this procedure, sir, is for assessing the skin, hair, and nails. So this procedure will give us further information about your current condition or any problems with your skin, hair, and nails. And after that, we're gonna inquire for any past experience or any pain, itching, or other stuff that has been happening to your skin. Do you have any type of pain in your skin or anything else? And do you have any family history of skin condition? So we have inquired the patient with any family condition or family history. So and after that, we're gonna gather the equipment. So we're gonna get the gloves, magnifying glass, alcohol, and the centimeter ruler. Cut.